We just need the people that are still in the challenge. The challenge will be this. Reasonably okay. Oh, good. Oh, good. A cream of wheat for a bowl, exactly measured. The bowl cannot be touched by the challengers. It cannot be lifted off the table. It cannot be spoken ill to. It can simply be a bowl with 1 scoop of cream of wheat in it.
Okay, sure.
The cream of wheat then must be eaten with no other utensils or techniques than using the chopsticks in proper 3-finger chopstick form, as you have been practicing pretty much all week.
Practice? It's a lifestyle.
It's a lifestyle choice.
It's a lifestyle.
Guys.
If you want to stand, you may stand. I suggest sitting.
You might very well be flung in your direction.
Everyone stand back.
Yeah, you can set it up in front of yourself.
You can set it up in front of yourself?
Yes.
Students!
Hold on, I gotta get here because I got a video.
So that you are in line with, you see where this tree is, you see where Bravo is, you see where Nautical Miles is, you see right over there by the house in this tree. We need to have an open area here so that many people may see. Now, the true winner of the Chopsticks Challenge out of these 4 champions will be the one who finishes all of the cream of wheat first. All right? There cannot be any cream of wheat left in the bowl that can be pinched by chopsticks. First one to clean their bowl wins. Challengers, are you ready?
Yes!
Huh? I said challengers, are you ready?
Yes!
What, Miss Bobby?
Miss Bobby!
Miss Bobby! On your mark, get set, devour! Oh no! No, the Corcoran's way in the lead. Picking up the lead! He's gonna do it! He's gonna do it! Now it gets difficult. It's neck and neck! So close! No! Ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner! Miss Corcoran, you just won the Chopstick Challenge! What are you gonna do next?
I'm gonna thank Regina Phalange for helping me with my dexterity!
All right, ladies and gentlemen.